guys, today I'm playing World of Cubes. This is season 2, episode 4, and today I thought to make a training course. First, there'll be parkour, then fighting the something, and backflips, and all kinds of stuff. And now I grabbed a lot of materials. I kept some in my chest. You cannot see them, but it's okay. So, go. I just did my first parkour jump successfully. Now the tough part. Okay, that was easy. The parkour king has done it. Okay, now I have to don't fall, which I did. It's okay. So I want it to be little more like here. You must be like, Atik, this is such a cool idea. I know. I was like, I'm so bored, so let's just make some parkour. I didn't even do it from such a long time actually. So now I'm thinking to make this like a bonus point because now I'm gonna do a 2 jump, which is gonna be like this and this, and just one last quad jump, not quad jump, really small jump. So now I want this parkour to turn like that because we don't want to go far away from our house, right? So like that, break that, and then my mind is made out of parkour actually. So I'm just know what I'm doing. It's gonna go like all the way here, and then this is the end. You have to basically fall safely. I don't know how you can do that. Okay, so one over here, then you have to carefully come all the way, all on the tree. Let's try this. I'm not sure because I didn't even do parkour from such a long time. I miss parkour, but today we are gonna do it. So remember one thing: jump, speed and jump. Whoa, oh my gosh, just see how much we are going to die. Okay, speed and jump. Okay, now the easy part. Speed and jump. Oh, that was so close. Guys, you know this is wrong. This is so wrong. Wait, what? I don't know what I just did. Okay, it's okay. We have to do it again. No give ups today. Today has to be my lucky day. Oh, I was so close. The point was I jumped where I was gonna fall on the corner of the block, which is so wrong. I mean, it sounds correct, but it is so wrong. Okay, I just need to get to the second tree. Please. Okay, let's just take the God's sake. Okay, focus. I'm hungry. Oh guys, let's eat a yummy snack. Yummy. I just ate it. I was so fast. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna cover this because I don't want to make that a trap. Guys, I wish you were in my world. You know how? Please hack my world and come to my world so I can hang out with you guys. If you could, if that would happen. Because many YouTubers that actually happened. So, I mean, it's bad, but it would be fun. Okay, so let's just focus. The sheep is making me not focus. Oh my gosh. Always I slip on the wooden planks. Bad wooden planky. Guys, make this a bridge. Much better. I like the mud. Mud is good. Wooden planks is being really bad to me. You know what? I'm just going now. It's taking me a while. I'm wasting time. Guys, I finally made it onto the wooden plank. This jump. Okay. So now we have to carefully. Oh my gosh, I was such on a corner. Okay, I'm gonna come to this tree here. Just one more jump. and we are done. We did it. Okay, so now basically I want some staircase to go down because this is enough parkour. So staircase, that is wrong. All the way here. I need to do something very quick and like that, so we can go down, and then like this, guys. This staircase coming down like this, and then last staircase like this, and this. Oh, now let's try if this thing works. Staircase, please work, because I am. Oh, okay. We did it. So the staircase works. We have a staircase going down. I'm just gonna break this because it can bump our head, which we don't want to do. I'm gonna break this a lot. This is, very bad. Oh, there's an apple. I'm never gonna say no to an apple. Okay, so down the stairs. Now here's gonna be a fight with the bad guys. This is a bad guy, okay? He doesn't look evil, but he can, he's so dangerous. He's so dangerous, guys. He can, just. Oh, I keep forgetting. Let's just grab some more mud, because this is gonna be like the heads of them or the body. Not sure. So, okay, it's good. What happened? Okay, nothing happened. Let's get all this mud. Here is the bad guy standing, trying to kill us. Why am I? Okay, then, we have it. Oh my gosh, guys, we need help. I'm gonna battle this guy. Backflip. Look at that, we can train now. Sack. You saw that? We have our own training pit, like a guy. And we can just, ninja mode him. If you know what ninja mode is, it's basically sneaky and it's really cool. Like, it doesn't make you go when you're on the ground. This is such a cool, right? Like, you would never fall. I would never fall from here. But if I do this, I would fall. I like ninja mode. Like, you cannot even go front. Now, if I'm on the ground, I can only go on the ground. I cannot, even if I come here, I cannot fall. But when I do this, I will fall. It's good. This guy is gonna. Okay, I'm gonna make more people. So we have to defeat this guy. There's one more guy over here. It's gonna make the same with him. Oh my gosh, look at those animals. So many animals. So this guy has to be like, I don't know. Should we make a punching bag? That's what's coming in my mind. Okay, I'm making a punching bag now. You have to punch this guy. Then you have to punch a guy over here. No, not there. Change your plans. A guy over here surrounding you in a circle, which can kill you. Right, like this on his right hand. Yeah. Okay, you have 2 people. And now I'm gonna make a boxing bag. You might be like, Atiksha, what are you doing? Okay, here's what I have to do. I have to just break this part, and so it's like a hanging boxing bag. Okay, we have that. So after we pass them, we have to go all the way here, and then in this part, I'm thinking it should be a doorway challenge. Not a doorway challenge. Okay, change your plans. after hitting these monsters over here, we have to train like we have to touch some checkpoints. Yeah, that's what I was meaning, but I forgot. Yeah, I need to sleep. Good night. Good morning. Let's get this bed. These are the checkpoints, like we have to jump and then give me a second. Wait, why is it not working? Oh, yeah, that's what we have to do. We have to try jump and touch them. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? I'm trying to say like this guy, then we cannot just touch it like I'm really sorry for that. We need to get on this guy for a second. Hey guys, can I get on your hand? Oh, it's getting so toughy. You know what? I'm just gonna get on your head. Don't mind if I do. So now I want this to be that much high. So now it's gonna be really hard. We have to try to touch it not like this. We have to try to touch it like we have to jump and then touch this. You know what guys, I have another awesome idea. I'm just gonna keep one more plank over here. This is such a cool idea, you know. I'm gonna go on his body. Here, parkour a little bit to the side. Side parkour. Side parkour is really hard. You know what? This is making me so angry. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. You have to touch this block. No! You know what? I'm gonna make this so high. Now it's gonna be, yeah, that's it. That's it. That's what we have to touch. We have to be like, this is gonna be like, you're over here, right? You have to touch the top of that, like, you see okay, on the plank's body, the first is like a rectangle. Yeah, you have to press that thing, like, I pressed it. So now after that, I want a racing course. Because why not a racing course? We have to go all the way. I'm gonna make some starting lines, like here you have to go from the middle, from here, okay, and you have to go from here, and then I have to just build this. Wait, let's go to our little bit dirts. We need dirtsies. Dirtsies, dirtsies, you come in handy for me. Dirtsies. Oh, we found sand to make windows. We already have sand in our private desert, but still, sand is helpful. Why didn't we make windows yet? I don't know, but it's okay. So I want this to be here, not that. Should be there, should be here. Okay, so now it's gonna be like ready, steady, go. I didn't mean to climb on that. To go like, then you have to get down, and then you have to jump over this. You should not touch it. Should be like, oh, that doesn't make sense. You have, okay, wait. Because if you're gonna jump over that, you need space, right? So cover this up. Now, okay, you have to go like, this is like an athletic jump. Oh, I jumped over it. You saw that? That's how you have to do it. Yeah, you need a far distance though. Okay, so you have to do that. And over here, there's some bridge kind of thing. So you have to go under. You have to crawl it. Like, you cannot crawl, but you have to try. And after that jump, like, you come here, right? So then you have to come in this hole. You have to crawl all the way here, and then all the way here is a normal racing course. Just gonna keep these, because if we can forget what is what. And this is the end line where I'm gonna keep this end block right here. And this is the end of our video. We have a full fun place. Do you want me to show it like fully again? what things you can do? Okay, number one comes the climb, the with the ladders you have to climb. Then comes really easy parkour, easy for me. Oh, sorry, didn't mean the word easy, but okay. This, come on. You know what? I'm gonna come in a second. Guys, I came up all up and then I just did a little bit of easy parkour. Now the slippery wooden. I hate wooden planks. And you know what? We'll do a little bit of cheating so we don't fall down. I mean, it's not cheating, but it's good. I mean, it's helpful. Okay, let's do a jump. It's not cheating actually. Ninja mode means like, I told you it was not cheating. If cheating would be like, if you just do something like a bridge, that is called real cheating. But I didn't do cheating. Ninja mode, I don't even know why I like the ninja mode. There is no reason for it, so why do you need ninja mode? But it's really cool. I like Ninja Turtles, so you know what? I'll do the parkour. And guys, I just did it in one go, but my camera was off. Sorry. Okay, heading down to the stairs. Oh, ninja mode. Stop being bad. Oh no, there are zombies. Help! And then, so we have to do this as our training course. And we have to jump and kill them. Kill. This guy's dead. And then we'll try to do something epic. We are gonna jump. And then... Oh, wait, what? Okay, do the punching bag. See how I'm punching. I'm really sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. I just broke the punching bag. I broke the punching bag. I was not supposed to do that. Okay. That's it. So now we have to do the activating jump thing. The first plank. Come on. I did it. Now the race begins. Go. Oh, you saw. Wait, guys, you saw that? Wait, you saw how high I was in the air? I was like, then like here, all the way here. And I did it. That's end. Bye, guys.